Anyway, I don't think your wife knew what I tried to tell her, that it's going to take some work to get this right. I mean, a lot of it's done. About $100,000 worth of $100,000 has been put into it already.
Oh, to walk?
The basement was $100,000. Well, the basement and the gutting and the plumbing work. And the basement was almost $100,000.
What does the basement look like?
It's already done though.
What does the basement look like? Do you know?
Careful, Grayson.
Oh my god, that's so creepy. I've never seen a house like this before.
Yeah, this is what they look like with no walls, honey. This is like this is the skeleton of the house.
Skeleton? What does the basement look like?
Oh, it's too muddy to go down there. It's all new walls in the basement.
And I found a secret little door.
You did
Bedroom?
6. Yeah, there's plumbing for 3 baths.
Oh, 3 bedrooms.
So they have 7 kids?
So how much did they buy it? How much was that?
They're asking $120,000,
Okay.
and then you got to get the money to fix it. Would you live in it or would you sell it?